Guys, look at this. I wanted to take a video real quick before our power went out, but it is raining so hard outside. This is so cool. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. It keeps going in and out, in and out. It was crazy a little while ago. And there are some reports that we may get a tornado. But I'm not giving away where we live. So, yeah. But seriously, this is insane. It looks cooler in real life, but my tablet's graphics aren't very good. And it's going on again. This is so cool. I'm just gonna stand here recording this. The trees are going crazy with the wind. It stopped again. And it's starting again. If it was cold enough, we could literally be getting hail right now. About a minute or two ago, it was raining so hard that literally the house was shaking. Anyway, I'm gonna have to end the video, so yeah, this is crazy. But, well, thanks for watching. Wish me luck surviving this. Oh crap, there's thunder. Oh, that means lightning's gonna hit soon, and,